Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the SDX-YSTCE asymmetrical mirror. It's an irregular wall mirror. A mirror asymmetrical with hook system. Unique makeup mirror, shaped makeup mirror for hallways, for the bathroom and the bedroom. And with its amazing design, this decorative mirror makes a statement while remaining stylish and minimalism. The design really stands out and makes any wall look incredible and modern and unique. Because this irregular wall mirror with a unique shape can decorate our hallway, living room, bedroom, which can bring an unmistakable artistic atmosphere to our room. And we have HD reflection and resistance materials. The asymmetrical mirror is made of HD floating glass, which reflects never warped. Mirrors come with a black thick dashboard, which can make the mirror stronger and more beautiful. And it's really easy to install, because this body mirror here with 4 hook system that comes with the mounting accessories. We just drill 2 holes, install the screws, hang the mirror. The mirror size is about 85 cm to 52, which can hang both horizontally or vertically. Because of that, we have 4 hooks. And you see, it comes with a good quality in mirroring. Original wall mirror size 85 to 52 cm frame material is wood. The narrow edge technology enlarged the mirror surface safely, explosion proof, no splashing around. Original curves wall mirror is a perfect addition to our bedroom or bathroom. And the original wall mirror brings a modern artistic touch to the entire living area, suitable for the bathroom, accent table, entrance area. These mirrors can not only use to illuminate our beauty, but it's also our perfect home decoration. Because the modern wall mirror for the bathroom can be hung vertically and horizontally, thus giving the wall an artistic flair in a modern style. The asymmetrical bathroom mirror is made of waterproof materials with explosion-proof film, though that even in the event of an impact from the outside, the broken glass is not splashing out, and it's safety for us and our family. Nearly unbreakable, HD image, no distorting. The wall mirror uses high-definition mirror glass for clear reflection without distortion. Ultra-high quality, restoration 1-to-1 real image. No color difference, no distorting, no deformation. Only you. SDX-YSTCE was founded from the idea of offering functional, beautiful, and vintage industrial design furnitures. The products are characteristics by the fact that they bring together people who are looking for original design with talented craftsmen and designers. This all brings to us the SDX-YSTC asymmetrical mirror system, an original wall mirror for home use and decoration. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sensen!